Hello everyone. Today we'll draw this geometric object. I'm going to draw this geometric object and I'll show you step by step on how to draw it. So the first thing I'll do is to draw this circle. Draw a circle of 125. Afraid is 125. So let me start the circle here. Radius of 125. And zoom out. And then I'll draw another circle of radius. This circle radius 50. Let me just draw it with the 2 points method, and then type in 100, the diameter of the circle. Then I can now move it. So if you look at our drawing, you can see that the distance from here to this here is for 3.4. That's exactly the distance I'll move it to the left side for the 3.4. That's it. Now I have this circle now, this arc. What I need to do is to draw this, and then draw this. This one is 115, this is 145, and this is 155. So center radius 145 155 of radius and 115. So the next thing I need to do is to draw a straight line. Let me just zoom in here. Draw a straight line from here to this point, and then offset it. And let me look at this from the distance between these two lines is 40. So let me offset it. Offset the line by 20. I'll offset the line by 20. Set the line by 20, and then I'll need to trim a little bit of it, and I should have stopped at the first line, but it's okay. Okay, then I'll extend these ones. Okay, now a line that passes through the center of this arc, the angle it subtends with the horizontal is 37. So what I need to do is to go back to my polar tracking and then select 37. I've already created it before, so all I need to do is select it. If I want to create a new one, assuming you want to create your own angle, you can click on the tracking settings and come here, new, click on new, click on additional angle, click on new, and then type in your values. For example, here I can type in a new value, but I don't want to do that. Let me just go back. So since the 7 is now selected, I can now draw a line from the center of this circle. Here is 0, the next place should be 37. I have my line. I can mirror to get the line on the other side. Right? Okay. I can now trim off everything outside that line, and then delete. and delete. Let me just draw a single line between these 2 points, and then I'll choose, let me choose start center end arc, start center end arc. Then I can remove this. Then I can offset this this particular excuse me, this arc by the distance from here to here. All I need to do is to click the 2 points and then click the arc and then click inside. It will offset and give me, cover the other end of the arc. So I don't need to draw the whole thing here. I'll just mirror everything here using window selection with center of this, not the other center, this center, and then I'm done. So I can now zoom in here and do some little bit of clean up. Let me just remove this and then fillet. The fillet is 5. Let me check the radius here. I already have 5 here, so if I don't have 5, actually I typed in 5 and pressed enter. I can now fillet here. That's it for this place. And to get the broken line here, to get this broken line, I need to draw another circle with center here, and the circumference of the circle must pass through the center point. That's the midpoint of the arc. And then I'll trim out the rest. You can see my line here. All I need to do now is to go to select it, right click, and then choose properties. By default, all the line type properties are by layer, so I can change it to whatever line type I want, which is this one, and then close this back. But normally, you might, if you're just opening the drawing, you might not see these line types loaded here. If you don't see them, don't worry. All you need to do is to go back, go to layers, properties, open layers properties, then go to line type and click there. Then you will see only continuous line here. You won't see these ones. I was the one that actually loaded these ones. So if you want to load your own lines, all you need to do is to click load and then pick the lines you want to load and click OK. You load those lines. Hope you understand. So the next thing is to tackle the objects inside this circle. Let me just check for dimensions. This circle is 15 and this is diameter 20, and that's all I need. The circle in the middle is 15, and I need to get the center of this place. So I can now draw a circle with this place as center, with the midpoint of that line as center, and the diameter, right click, choose diameter, and then type in 22, enter. Then I'm through using this line. I can remove them. Then I'll go and array, select the object, press enter, asking for center point. Just click here and I'll have my center point. Then I'll terminate my command. That's it. I'm through with the drawing. The next thing is to dimension. So I can actually go with the radius. From my own perspective, radius is too small. I can use dim scale to change the size of my dimension, the size of my dimension text. So let me type in dim scale, and press enter. It will ask me for the value. Let me make it 2. Let me make it 3. Okay, for now. So let me go to annotate and update my scale. My dimension is too big. Let me go back and make it 2, and then still update. I think it's fine now. I can now continue what I'm doing. The circle here, this inner circle. Okay, the distance between this place and this place should be 40. So that's it, it's 40. Likewise, you can continue with the rest, but basically that is how to draw this. Thanks for watching.